Sometimes, when I'm traveling in the community, I might realize that I don't know where I am. I am lost. When I'm lost, it's important to stay calm. I can take some deep breaths. It will be okay. The first thing I should do is look around and see if I can figure out where I am. I can look at the street signs and see what the street names are. I can also look for the names of nearby buildings. I can also check the map on my phone. If I made a trip plan, I can check my trip plan. It's a good idea to include someone in your trip plan you can call if you need help. When I am lost, I have choices about how I get help. I can phone a friend or family member to ask for help. Hey, Dad? Dad, I think I'm lost. I don't know where I am. Oh, okay. Thanks, Dad. Okay, bye. If I don't have someone to call, I should stay calm. There are lots of other ways that I can help myself. I should choose the way that I think will be easiest. There are some people in the community I can ask for help. I can go into a nearby store and ask the cashier. I could ask a police officer. I should not talk to strangers. I could try using the map on my phone. Sometimes you can enter your destination and follow the route that your phone provides. If you're not sure how to do that, you should practice at home with a friend or family member first. When I am lost in the community, it is important to be safe. Even if I feel scared, I should be careful. I should pay attention when I'm walking. I should look closely before I cross the street to make sure it's safe. Everybody gets lost sometimes. It's okay. I should stay calm. I should think about my choices and ask someone for help if I need help. With help, I will find my way.